Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of the trading signal service that we provide here. If you would like to receive trading signals from me, myself, or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, then you can do so simply by visiting our website. Once on the website, you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $249 for a year's membership. What I'm going to do is leave the website link below this video in the description, so if you do want to join our team, all you have to do is simply scroll down now, click on that link which will then take you to our website, and then that's where you'll then be able to join our service. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you on our team soon.
So guys, in front of me is the crude oil futures markets, and as you can see today, we've had a rather volatile session here on Thursday. Look at the close that we had yesterday. I was very bullish on yesterday's crude oil video, and don't get me wrong, I still am very bullish for crude oil. However, we did form a shooting star going into the close yesterday on yesterday's candlestick, as you can see in this area here, which is typically a bearish sign. And in today's session, what's happened is really interesting, because typically what happens when you get a daily close above a 200 or 50-day EMA or a key resistant or supportive level, what typically happens is that once you've broken above it, you then go down to retest it as the floor, and then if the buyers support that area, that's when you typically rally. And that's exactly what's happened in today's trading session. As you can see, we did clip the 200-day EMA roughly, and since then we have bounced back, and we're trading back at around $41.73. So this is very encouraging for the crude oil bulls. This could trigger a short to medium term rally up towards that $45 price target that I have on the screens there, which is that green line. So I am very bullish here on crude oil markets. As I've mentioned in previous videos, Pfizer come out with a very successful vaccine on Monday, which will be distributed globally and more importantly across America. The government have got a contract in place with Pfizer to get, I think it's roughly 60 million vaccines at first, and then of course they will order more. And the quicker that these vaccines can be injected into people and distributed across the country, the faster the US economy can recover from the massive glut that we saw back in March. So that, of course, is going to trigger more demand for crude oil. The sooner people can leave their homes and get their lives back to normal, the higher and the faster the oil demand can recover. So I am starting to get very bullish here for the crude oil markets. We're still trading very low, especially considering where we were trading prior to this massive global pandemic, up at around 63. So we're roughly 33% below where we were trading. So there's a huge upside potential here in the crude oil markets. Don't get me wrong though, the markets aren't going to bounce back to where they were prior to the global pandemic in a week or even a month. It will take time, but if you're willing to sit on some cash for anywhere between a year to 5 years, then I think that there's a great opportunity here to make money. But I think I'm talking to a lot of day traders, and from a day trading perspective, I do see crude oil going up to the $45 a barrel range very soon. So very exciting times here in the crude oil markets. I'm a buyer, no interest in selling.